Greetings, my beautiful people all around the world. Greetings to you, and special greetings to my subscribers, 115 of you. Special greetings to you. Thank you. And if this is your first time to visit this channel, welcome. Welcome to Sengo's Kitchen. Welcome to Boyoma Village. Welcome. And please take your time to subscribe, like the video, comment. I'm over here in Northridge City, Los Angeles, California. It's lunchtime right now, so I'm hungry. I'm gonna take a walk down the neighborhood over here and see what we can find and eat. I'm looking for tacos. Tacos is what I'm looking for. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Yes, good. So come with me, walk along with me. Let's go get some tacos. It's not Tuesday, but it's tacos. Every day is tacos day. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. But it's a little chilly outside. And I love the weather. You gotta love the weather, man. Look at this. You gotta love the weather. Hello. It's a beautiful place here. Good. Good today. Good, beautiful, thank you. All right, I need... Hey, how you doing? I need 5 tacos. One carne asada.
Would you like with everything or
Everything, yes. One carne asada. I would like one carnita, one pollo, one lengua, one cabeza. How many is that? 5? That's 5? Yes, let's start with that one. I'll take carnitas, yes. Go here, please. So we got 5 different types of tacos. I'm gonna try all of it. Stay tuned with me. Let's eat. If you've been watching me, you follow me, you know that Mexican food is my favorite food. I love Mexican food. And tacos actually is my favorite. I can eat tacos any day, anytime, anywhere. You know, you should try it too. Yes, please. Can I have one? One bread. You can see, this is lengua taco. This is chicken, pollo. This is cabeza. That's head. This is carne asada. It's beef. And this is carnitas. This is pork. And there you see, there's like beans and some chips. Where do we start right now? Let's start with cabeza. Green sauce. Softest meat you can ever eat. One down. Second one. We're gonna try lengua. Let's add some more green sauce on this. See, green salsa. That's lengua. And if you've been watching my video, I have a video where I made taco de lengua. So this is lengua taco. Chips and beans. This thing tastes so bomb. You have tortilla chips and you're using the beans like a dip. bomb. So soften. It soften up the tortilla chips. You can even hear the crunching because it's so soft. Next, we're going to eat pollo, known as chicken. Chicken. I know you're wondering, where's the lime? Where's the lime? Where's the lime? I didn't want no lime. Chicken also has green salsa. I don't know how they decide this. Which one gets green, which one gets red. But for sure, red salsa is the hottest. It's the spiciest, should I say. Green should green. I don't know. Green be spicy too though. No. I don't know how they decide. We're down to 2 tacos. Ye nani mukolo ye. Soki bale fufu nani adundaka ye. Azanga papai, azanga mamai ye. Carnitas. Carnitas has red salsa. Here we go. Salsa roja, spicy. It's carnitas. I forgot to show you guys the chicken. Last but not least, carne asada, beef with the red salsa. Woo! Cheese. Nisa. Tamarind. If you've never tried this flavor, I beg, go try this. Oh, not sure. Carnitas was my favorite tacos today here. Carnitas, hands up. Carnitas was good. So it's good. Gracias, eh? Thank you. Bye. See you later. Woo! Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's the name of the place. Hell yeah. The taco was good. Hell yeah. Thank you very much. I want to thank everybody who's watching this, who's been watching me, who's been following me, who has subscribed to my channel. I want to thank you. Thank you very much. This is your boy Mose Sengo. This is Sengo's Kitchen, Boyoma Village. Until the next episode. Mwah! Thank you very much. Chai! See you later. Palakatakabat.